Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain how you can use Google Sheets to automatically capture the rates and metrics and statistics of the stock market of various indices across the world. For example, I have built one line showing that the index Nasdaq, the ticker name is GOOG, which means Google's, and the metrics price is tracked here. For example, let's do another one. For example, suppose Nasdaq is the index we would like to track. The company name is Apple and the ticker is AAPL for the Apple. We need to track the price, and let's see. Yes, it gets it. So Apple price as of now is $173.66. Suppose if we would like to get EPS of the Google, yes, EPS of Google is 4.57 and EPS of Nasdaq 5.95. Okay, let's see what other parameters or what other metrics we can calculate. Let's calculate 52-week high. Okay, so 52-week high for Apple is 198.23. So let me explain how you can achieve this. Okay, let's first go to the formula. Can you see? It uses the formula Google Finance in bracket. It takes the automatic column, which is Nasdaq semicolon Google, which is automatically does like this, and then it takes the metric which you want us to calculate. Let's do this again. Let's remove this for now. Let's do this. For example, let's first do is equal to Nasdaq inverted commas semicolon inverted commas and let's say B2. Let's put enter. Okay, now what you need to do is Google Finance. Okay, let's do D2. Let's do, so it's to 4.57. Let's do for each stock one by one. Let's select this, drag and drop, and press Ctrl plus D. Now let's do all the metrics for a single company. Price, EPS, high 52, low 52, beta. There are various other parameters you can do. Let's do this for Apple. Same parameters as above. So it's really simple to do this. There are several other companies. For example, let me show you another company price. Microsoft, which is MSFT. It shows correctly. So it's easy and simple to use. There are various other metrics and parameters you can use this with the formula. The formula is really simple, is equals to Google Finance, in the bracket it's index name semicolon company name comma the metrics. You can easily see this. There are various other analysis, insights, mutual fund, currencies, which you can do with using this formula. I am going to guide you later again in next video. Let me know if this helps or you can easily do this, or let me know and I'll explain more properly. Thank you so much.